My name's Morgan Lockery. I'm the stand manager for Rolling Hill Farms for both of our farm fresh produce markets. We have one location in Waxhaw, North Carolina, and the other in Mint Hill, North Carolina. Previous POS systems that we used were very basic. So we needed something that was going to be quick and easy to produce solutions for when our lines are busy, but also clear for the customers so they can see exactly what they're purchasing, the pricing, and how their receipt breaks down. The reason we started with POS Nation and that we were really drawn to it is the customer care was a big flag for us. It was easy to get in touch with everybody. It was easy to ask questions. It was easy to get answers. One of the things I really love about POS Nation and how it helps us manage our business operations is the fact that we can see our inventory and what's selling during those peak times that we have, where the product is going and when, and where our losses are as well. One of the biggest things that our employees, and myself included, really love about the POS system is the simplicity of it. It includes every single product that we carry. Even when it comes down to our discounts and coupons that we do, we have certain exclusions and that automatically computes it for us. The installation and training for our system was very simple. Everyone was really accommodating to our schedules and being able to get everything up and running. POS Nation been very accommodating, like I had mentioned, as far as our scheduling and getting everything set up. So we would definitely recommend it to other people.